In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by color in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature that can help you organize your data visually, making it easier to analyze and understand. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this step by step. First, let's open up your Google Sheets document. You can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one, depending on where you want to sort the data by color. Once you're in your sheet, it's time to move to the cells you need to organize. For our example today, we're going to highlight the range of cells from A17 to B17. This range is just an example, and you can select any range of cells that contain the data you wish to sort. Now that you've highlighted your desired range, take a look at the top menu. You'll see a tab labeled Data. Go ahead and click on Data. This will bring down a drop-down menu with various options related to data management and manipulation, which is exactly what we need. In this menu, you'll find an option that says Create a Filter. Click on this, and what happens next is quite neat. Filters are going to appear above your columns, each represented by a tiny green funnel icon, indicating that you can now filter your data. Next, for the column that holds the data you want to be sorted by color, click on that small green funnel icon. This will open a different menu specifically for that column. Now, from the list of options that appear, navigate to the option that reads Filter by Color. As the name suggests, this option allows you to sort your data based on the fill color or the text color within the cells. After selecting Filter by Color, you'll get another set of options asking which color you wish to sort by. In our demonstration, we're choosing the color orange. So, click on Orange and watch as Google Sheets works its magic. It will organize the data to show all the rows with the color orange grouped together, allowing for a quick and visual way to prioritize or analyze data segments that share common formatting. And there you have it. You've successfully sorted your data by color in Google Sheets. This method can be applied to any color and any range of data within your sheet. It helps to bring a visual hierarchy to your data, making it not only more attractive but far more organized and comprehensible. Hopefully, this guide makes sorting by color in Google Sheets a breeze for you. Give it a try in your own spreadsheets and see how it elevates your data management skills. Thanks for watching.